Yeah. This one is happening. So sorry for all this extra. Let's hope all things. Sorry for.
Balaji, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. You are audible.
Okay. It's 11:29.
Yeah, one second, sir. One second. Mr. Ajit, are you available?
कुछ मिनट 5 हो गए मैडम, देखो नीचे होगी तो 5. Shri Rajiv Kumar.
the practice of the organizing.
Mr. Ajit, are you available, sir?
No issues, Balaji. It's 11:29, and how many districts are there, and how many people have joined already?
As of now, 14 people has joined the meeting, sir. I think so. Rajiv Kumar sir has joined the meeting. Rajiv sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Rajiv. I hope everyone has joined today's meet.
Yes, everyone, I suppose.
Okay.
So,
we
shall
may
we start?
Yes, we may start. It's 11:30.
Uh-huh.
What,
Okay.
Balaji?
Yeah.
You may start, Balaji.
So
Please
before,
start.
yeah. So before starting this webinar, I would like to invite our Joint Director, Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasistha. He is presently Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasistha is presently the Joint Director of the National Institute of Disaster Management. He was commissioned into the Army Ordnance Corps in September 2000. Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasistha is a supply chain management professional with over 20 plus year experience in managing the entire government of supply chain grid. The officer has excelled academically with master degree in management apart from the logistic management course with specialization in ammunition and other warlike stores. The officer has commanded on Ordnance Unit of prestigious Strike Corps of Indian Army and have exposure on various command and staff duties in all types of operation and terrain. I request to Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasis, please kindly open this webinar, sir.
Thank you, Balaji, and I welcome. Thank you for the brief for my career. And I am Lieutenant Colonel Vashisht, as Balaji said. I am the Joint Director here at NIDM, and I am grateful to each one of you who have joined today for this virtual program on the India Disaster Resource Network. I am in charge here for this particular network at NIDM. Along with me, Shri Balaji and Shri Dharminder are both the administrators who are actually working on this particular portal. This is a excuse me, and I'm more than happy since we are all sitting in Delhi and meeting virtually to discuss on the disaster management aspects. As Delhi is doing a human service in the disaster management, as we see and we are seeing in day-to-day lives, our day-to-day lives. You are all affecting us. So thank you very much. And on behalf of National Institute of Disaster Management and our Executive Director, I welcome the delegates from Delhi State Disaster Management Authority for our one-day virtual training program. As we all know that resources management is the process of ensuring the appropriate amount of stocks, both men and equipment are maintained so as to be able to meet the demand without delay. In our case, since we are dealing with the disasters and we don't know when the disaster would strike, and as we all know, what is the condition of Delhi in terms of the proximity to the disaster, or how prone Delhi is to the disasters. And now, today, as of now, as we are talking virtually, we are in the pandemic of COVID-19. We are all going through that part of the disaster. So resources should be kept and should be visible and should be so transparent that they are. I would request Shri Vriddhi Sharma, please mute yourself. Thank you very much. In our case, since we are dealing with the disasters and disasters, since they cannot be predicted, therefore we need to please mute. I would request everyone to mute themselves.
Yes, this certain time as well, that is time as well. Everything is there.
Kindly mute. Therefore, the foremost principle, as we all know, as we are the managers actually who are doing the management of this resource on the ground level, actually we are operating this IDRN portal on the ground. So we are sitting today to discuss and to get ourselves trained on this particular aspect of disaster management. Therefore, the foremost principle for we managers to make resources available at the right time, at the right place, and the right quantities is the foremost principle for us to know. A new list of inventory and resources was thought out by this high-powered committee with the NDMA. As we all know, we are in Delhi. We know what is an NDMA, National Disaster Management Authority, National Disaster Response Force, NIDM, Ministry of Home Affairs, and with the state government departments disaster management team. This inventory, which is shown today, has been formulated by this high-powered committee. Since disasters for Delhi are different and disaster for any other state are like Kerala would be different. So I would with this background, I would request the consultant Shri Rajiv Kumar from Delhi Disaster Management Authority to welcome his delegates on behalf of the Delhi Disaster Management Authority. Shri Rajiv Kumar.
Good morning, Lieutenant Colonel Vasisht,
Good
and
morning. sir.
other speakers and faculty members. I am really privileged to share this platform on this IDRN training program. It is indeed a good initiative on the part of NIDM to organize an online orientation cum training program for the personnel responsible for updating of IDRN portal in their respective districts. Training and upgrading of skills is a continuous process. In the present scenario, it is all the more necessary when IDRN portal has been redesigned with interactive look. I'm sure today's training program would be very useful for all the participants. The participants from DDMA, NCT Delhi are all young boys and girls who have chosen to become a disaster management professional. I'm sure this program would be helpful to. Knowledge and access to available resources are very critical in the times of disaster situation. Very often, the resources are available, yet it is not known to the responders as to where these resources are located and which authorities have it. It is therefore necessary that the resource portal remains updated at all times. I have a suggestion to make. I would suggest that NIDM also explore the possibility of having a state level window in the IDRN program software so that all the resources available with the state disaster management authorities can also be accessed and known to everyone concerned. Thank you very much. Welcome all participants.
Thank you, Shri Rajiv ji, and we have taken your this suggestion, and since this, as you said that it should be available with the state, this resource inventory, whatever. So I want to understand, sir, what are you exactly looking at? You want the inventory for the all the states of India, or you are looking for the inventory for Delhi states?
At least the state level. At present,
Okay.
only at the state level, we cannot see the whatever inventory at state level. Every district has its own.
Okay. Okay.
So that is my suggestion.
Yes. Okay, we'll come to this during our training, sir, and we will try to get this resolved, and we'll tell how can you see your own inventory there as a state, sir. So thank you very much, sir, for your opening remarks and address. All the young minds are sitting here, as you said, and they have chosen disaster management. It's a very vast field, as we all know. And the first thing during the disaster is the breakdown of the lines of communication, the network, the roads, and all these things they get crippled during the disasters. So we should be knowing where is the inventory which is and the resource basically which is lying at what place during the disasters, and how and where is the location, and who is the right person to be connected for getting that inventory to the right place at the time at the to response for that disaster. So all these things are part of IDRN portal. And I would like to tell you here, before going to the brief on IDRN, that we have made a new, totally a new portal, and it was phase as the Disaster Management Institute. We made this portal more robust and more user friendly. So we'll be training you on this particular new portal today. And as the suggestion from Shri Rajiv has come, I would request each one who is sitting here should give their suggestion, should clarify their doubt, and at the end of the program, I would request that everybody sitting here from Delhi Disaster Management Authority should be clear on the IDRN aspects thoroughly, because we want you to be thorough on the entire process. And in case, since we are co-located, we are in Delhi, all of us. So in case you want us to train you more in this particular aspect, you can connect with us. We will be more than happy. And one of the mandates for an NIDM is to train people on all aspects of disaster management, and particularly since I'm dealing with the IDRN, so I'll be more than happy to help you at any point of time. Being from Army and my executive director from Army, we are open 24 hours, and we are ready to support for any kind of support which you are facing, any problem which you are facing on database or any kind of IDRN access problem. So we will be more than happy to help you at any point of time. I'll be sharing email and my phone numbers also. You can connect with me at any point of time. So the today's agenda, this virtual training on IDRN portal. So I'll be taking this program in following phases. First, I'll be giving a presentation on the IDRN portal per se. What is IDRN portal? How have we developed it? And then I will hand over to Balaji for my administrator, Balaji and Dharmender, for training you online. Basically, we'll go live on the virtual this virtual training, and we'll show you each and every button on the dashboard what we have put, and it has been made very user friendly. So I would request everyone to learn today and make us also learn in case you want that something needs to be done on this IDRN portal, because here we have got limited minds which were thinking, but the state has got particular problems. The person who is dealing with it knows exactly what is the problem. So, and I would also like to tell you that you are the 22nd state today in this series of virtual training, and we have got many suggestions from our previous trainings like this. And I request Delhi also to give us suggestions on making this IDRN portal much more user friendly and much more privy to the requirements during any emergency. So I would start with my presentation. Please share, Balaji. IDRN, as we all know, and we are sitting together to learn about IDRN, is managed by NIDM. However, the complete after this management is the complete role is of the districts and the state. I will come to that portion later on. Are you comfortable all in English, or do I switch over to Hindi? आप बताइए Rajiv sir, is everybody comfortable in English, or do I switch over to Hindi?
I think everybody is comfortable, sir.
Okay. So India Disaster Resource Network is the name. Next resource, as we say, is the critical equipment and manpower required during the times of disaster for operating these 289 items as we have put on this particular portal. Next, please. As per the mandate given by Government of India and Ministry of Home Affairs, we have to update this portal by all state governments and union territories, and it should be a regular affair. And you all are since seeing this IDRN portal on a day-to-day basis. So I would request everyone to see it once so that the entries could be updated from your end, basically the district ends. So as we all know that this is a basic which I'm covering, that India has got varied geoclimatic conditions. We know it, and we are prone to various types of disasters. Some states have got floods issues. As in Delhi, also we get floods. Yamuna getting flooding every year during the rains. We are prone to earthquake, being in seismic zone, which affects the most. cyclones, landslides for the mountainous terrain, tsunamis for the coastal areas, and various other disasters. And as of now, as we talk today, COVID-19 pandemic as we are suffering today. So IDRN has made sure that we are having items which are required for all these kinds of varied climatic and geographical conditions. So as I have briefed you earlier, that a high-level committee under the NDMA has been set up to see which item would be put on this IDRN portal. One of the major challenging in responding to the disasters in a professional way is the lack of the data, which was not available. So a need was felt that the inventory management capsule should some program or some portal should be made. Next, in 2004, under the Ministry of Home Affairs and UN Development Program, MHA has made this particular program and systematic inventory and equipment of skilled human resources, so that the disasters can find the location. During the disasters, we can find the locations for immediate response. So this was planned and made. NIDM was given the responsibility in June 2008, and the primary focus, as seen on the slide, is to enable the decision makers, the person who is actually dealing with the disaster, to access the equipment and human resources required to combat any emergency situation. Next, please. This is the infrastructure. You all know it, that it is on NIC platform. The servers are NIC. They are all secured. But the security aspect, I would like to tell you that this portal has been many times has been attacked by the cyber bullies. Basically, the inimical elements, they are always eyeing what is the preparedness for a country like India during the disasters. I would request everyone to be privy for the cyber security aspects while handling the this particular portal, because your information is quite important for the enemy countries, basically, who is looking forward to destruction or destroying our capabilities. So cyber security aspects should be taken into consideration. It is on the internet. It is an online portal, so you can access it on the internet only. The main role here is not of the NIDM. NIDM is only having the server. It is only managing. It is giving the reports to the chief commissioners of the state, and it is giving a report, making a report month-wise to the MHA. However, the main role is of the line department and the districts, wherein they would feed all these items, and this has to go frequently. And every day we must make it a point that we enter at least 5 items in this, and we clear these 298 items as soon as possible. Next, please. So these are various forms for filling the data. I will, Balaji and Dharmendra will brief you in detail about these 4 forms. What do you get out of this form, and how do you enter the data, and what is the process actually, and what is the thought behind making these 4 forms here. Next, please. Now we have got all 36 states and union territories registered on this IDRN portal. Ministry of Home Affairs monitors IDRN portal. I get a reminder from the MHA every 5 to 6 days on this IDRN portal, and they are taking the presentations. They are getting the state details on and off from us on this IDRN. So they are looking forward to this information, because we are having a pandemic called COVID-19. And especially the items like PPE, mask, such items are of much requirement and are in much demand during these times. So MHA keeps looking for these kind of items, and with this pandemic, we know that Fani cyclone, Amphan cyclone, Kerala floods again some parts. So we were facing twin disasters in this kind of. So in this scenario, this portal was of much use to the government of India and to the state governments. Out of 740 districts, 717 districts are on IDRN portal and regularly are updating their entries. 36 categories of items and 289 total items. Next, please. This is the status for our state, Delhi, as we sit today. Quite a healthy state. Less Shadra is a separate district. As per our records, Shadra comes here as separate district without any entries. Anyone from Shadra district?
Yes, Bhavna, please come up.
So we can see our state. It is nothing to pinpoint anyone, but is it a separate state, Bhavnaji? Because we wanted to also clarify ourselves. Is it a separate district here in Delhi
Sir,
state?
it is indeed a separate district.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It was actually what happened. This new district, two new districts were created in 2012, Southeast and Chadra. They were
Okay,
carved
okay.
out from District South and Northeast districts.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. So nothing to pinpoint. You can see your status yourself, and only we have come to you with the request that you may update your data. And it is very important that we get our data updated, because at times of disaster or emergency, we don't know when it strikes. So this particular
Sir, we have
portal,
updated our data in last year.
last year you updated this
Yes,
data.
sir. In September 2019.
We'll come back to you. We will show you what you have updated. Okay, we'll come back on the portal, because we have come on a new portal. We have migrated all the data on the new portal. Maybe Shadra, we will come to you. Balaji, please note,
Yes, madam.
whenever
Yes,
you
madam.
show Shadra, please show what
Yes,
what
madam.
was the updation.
Sure, sir. Noted.
So Ms. Bhavna, we'll come back to you on this. So I would only request that at times of disasters, this is only going to save our lives. We have examples from the state of Kerala, Odisha, Bihar. They have written to the government of India that this particular portal has helped us during the disasters. We are trying to geo tag all the items also which have been listed, and we will come to this feature also very. We are trying to roll out this feature very soon. Due to some security aspects, we are not able to get it now live, but very soon we'll be clearing all the security aspects on this also. So you'll come to know the pinpoint location of each item on this. With this, I would also request everyone to approach the private entities, also private and the PSUs located in your area of responsibility, in your district especially, so that because they also have got put these items in their inventory, the items which we have in this list, 289 items. So I would request everyone to see which all items can be a part, and to approach the private and the PSUs. NDMA has recently taken, and through the various ministries, we have approached the states to update the data for private and PSUs also. Next, please. This is the status when we have gone and met 22 states now in past 2 months. You can yourself see the status now. 2019, we had 21,000 entries, and 2020, when we are meeting virtually and we have start training everyone on this particular portal, so entries have jumped up. So the same response I would request from our state of Delhi. So I would request everyone to add on to these figures more, and to get the private sector and the public sector entities to update their inventory list also with this disaster management authority of the state. Next. This is an API which has been developed with Kerala state after the floods. They have come out that yes, this IDRN portal has helped us, but we want an API to be developed so that they can utilize our database, which we have, as the point of Shri Rajiv ji. The database which we have in the IDRN portal of NIDM is not shared with the states or the districts. So they have developed their own inventory management system, and we have developed an API so that linking of their inventory management and our IDRN portal can be made. So you can also utilize this system to get our inventory details at any point of time. This can be seen on the iOS and Android platform also. So it is security checked. NIC is, and you can utilize our database in your plans anytime. So we will train you in case there is any problem for taking our database in your inventory module. So we will help you in that also. So Balaji and Dharmender are here. So they have only developed this, and it's an in-house developed. So they'll be able to guide you how to get our database in your inventory management. Next, please. So this is the new website, as I was new portal, as I was I have briefed earlier. This is the dashboard for this portal. We'll be taking live on this portal, and we'll be making you learn, and we'll also request you for your suggestions on this new portal. Next, please. These are the contact details. As I said, we are open 24/7 through your emails, through your phone calls, through the mobile also we have given you here. So you can connect with us for any of your requirements for IDRN updations. Only request from the Ministry of Home Affairs or the NIDM here that you should update it very regularly. This coming up with many more features like the updation records would blink itself as you see in any other website of the corporate, any corporate house. So we are getting the blinkers that you need to update this particular item, or like for example, the based on the shelf life, a truck, tipper truck, if it is available in a particular district and it has lived 10 years of shelf life, so it will start blinking that you update this because that has gone old, and as per the government orders, after 10 years the item need to be auctioned. So these kind of features we are coming up, and this has come out of the suggestions from these interactions with what we are having with the states. And so we are coming up with new things, and I would request that your suggestions should also come today, because Delhi state is quite a vibrant state. We are all thinking minds. So we would request for your suggestions on this. So I finished with my presentation. Anything, Shri Rajiv ji, or we start with another session? Okay. Okay. Alex, please go live and start
Sure,
the
sir.
virtual session.
Sure,
Thank you everyone for your
Thank you. Okay. Thanks for your wonderful presentation, Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasi, sir, Joint Director, NIDM. So it's an honor and privilege for me to welcome you all on behalf of the National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi. So this is the 21st state we are providing this training, online virtual orientation program from India Disaster Resource Network. Once again. I request to all state and district officials who is attending this particular webinar, please kindly mute your mic. Please kindly mute your mic. It's humble request from National Institute of Disaster Management. So there will be no disturbance during this webinar. So before going to start my live demonstration, I'll brief one small I'll brief small description about this new IDRN portal. I hope you all aware, compared to the existing portal, in the new portal we have developed this particular new portal in the latest technology with a very user friendly, and also it's a responsive site. And also it's a responsive. Each and every module has been simplified, and functionality wise we have minimized the data entry updation. So now I will going to share my screen. So myself, Balaji, and another one of my colleague, Mr. Dharmendra Yadav, is available here. Whatever your doubt, you may please, after this session, after my live demonstration, you may please raise. I will give you the time. We will give the time for this question and answer session after my live demonstration. That time you may please ask any doubt, any suggestion, any feedback, any complaint or anything related to IDRN. You may please register with us. So I hope you all seen in the chat box. I have mentioned URL also. UTIP URL also. This particular training program is going on live telecast on our UTIP NIDM official YouTube channel as well. During this live demonstration, if there is any internet disconnectivity from your end or anything happened from your side, you may please kindly connect through UTIP. You may please kindly watch through UTIP as well. So I hope you all aware this new site has been particularly migrated this year June 1. I hope you all aware the new IDRN portal URL also has been migrated, idrn.nidm.gov.in. This is the new URL of this present IDRN portal. This is the homepage. This is the homepage of this IDRN portal. It's some. Okay, before starting my session, gentle reminder, while a demonstration, please kindly unmute your mic so that there will be no disturbance during this webinar. If you have any concern query, if you have any concern, suggestion, feedback, you may please write in the chat box as well. After finishing my session, I will definitely take care each and every question. We will be responsible for answering your all the questions. So this is the home page. Okay, let's go for this live demonstration. So this is the home page of this new IDRN portal. Here you can see the total number of states UTs. There are 36 states. There are 36 state UTs has been registered in this new IDRN portal. The state of Andaman to West Bengal. West Bengal. The next one be total number of district. There are 740 district has been found pan India. Out of 740 districts, 717 district is registered with us. So here we can see the list of district and states which is already registered in the new IDRN portal. Here you can see the difference of the black color and the red color. The red color indicates these are the district has not yet been registered with us. So the red color. So the black color would be indicates these are the district has already registered with us. So likewise, we'll go and see Delhi state, national capital territory of the Delhi. So the Delhi from the central district to central East Delhi, New Delhi, North Delhi, Northeast Delhi. So northwest, south Delhi, southwest, west, Sharda, Shadra, South Delhi. So these are the district has already registered with us. If there is any new district from the national capital territory of Delhi, you may please kindly register with us. Whatever the new district has been created, you may please kindly register with us, so that we will be giving the separate user ID and login user ID password for this particular IDRN portal. So the next would be total number of items. So there are 289 items. So I hope you all, most of these district officials might be aware. This particular portal, we have enabled 289 items. Apart from these 289 items, you can't enter, you can't update or update any more additional items in this portal. If you have any suggestions or any feedback, if you from your end, if you want to add more additional item into this particular portal, you may please kindly write a letter to National of Disaster Management, or else you may please email me. Definitely we will take high priority on your request. Here we have the high power committee. The committee will examine your additional particular additional items. If it is really helpful during this disaster or any particular incident, definitely we will include that inventory item also. It does not mean only this 289 item only is available in this portal. So that is the reason I'm just I'm telling this. So here you can see the list of 289 items from the page 1 to 15. See, there are 289 items. Item is available. We have classified each and every item under the category of 36 category. For example, now you no need to check each and every page. You no need to check each and every page. You no need to check each and every page. For example, let's say I want to search mask. Whether it is mask is available in this portal, whether MRI scanner is available, whether helmet is available in this portal, whether truck is available in this portal, enabled in this portal, whether any Bocklin is available, whether any human related manpower is available. Whatever you are thinking, you may please kindly search in this text box. For example, I want to search mask, so I am typing M. Once if you click M alphabet, it will automatically list out all the list of M alphabet inventory items in this portal. So you can easily identify these items, whether that particular item is available in this portal or not. For example, see, now I want to check mask. See, mask is available. I hope you all able to see my screen. Mask is available. Motorcycle is available. I want to check mask. Okay, I search. Yes, it is available under the category of critical supply. So this is what this functionality of this particular module. So I hope you all can understand these functions now. So the next would be data status report. Next would be data status report. Here we are uploading each and every month status report, the state wise as well as the district wise. Once if you click this link, it will automatically redirect to the new page. So you can easily identify. So first annexure would be state-wise report. The last month, I hope you all the district is. I hope all the district are receiving this monthly-wise IDRN status report to all the concerned district official, district collector or district magistrate email ID, and also district disaster management authority email ID. Also, whatever the email ID you are registered with us, definitely we will send a monthly wise status report to the concerned email ID. So, and also we are uploading the same report in this portal also. Here you can see the state-wise report annexure 1. Annexure 1, so the Andaman Nicobar, from the Andaman and Nicobar state has updated 62 the last 3 months and the before last 1 month, August month. So last is 62. So next would be we will come back to Delhi. Delhi is updated 298 298 entries mad before last 3 months, 1 June to 31 August. So that before last 1 month, 63 records. So the next annexure would be district wise detailed report. Here you can see district wise detailed report. So Delhi, district wise detailed report. Here you can see. So the central Delhi, East Delhi, from the west up to the west district. See, there is the each and every district wise report also is available. So here you can see the most of the district is 0 except northwest. So I request all the district concerned official who is attending this particular district from this official. Please kindly made some of the entries so that it could be useful during this any of the disaster. So and so we are sending this report to ministry also, monthly based ministry also, and national disaster management also. So the Ministry of Home Affairs as well National Disaster Management Authority also monitoring this portal, and also they are also sending request from their end. So here you can see the countrywide query for resource inventory. Whatever data you are entered in your particular district or state, here you can see the report how it's look like. So for live demonstration, I'm going to select Delhi. For district, whatever the district registered with it will automatically listed. If you want to select multiple district, you can select multiple district. If you want to select one district, you can select one district. If you want to select all district, you can select all district. For live demonstration, I'm going to select all district. If you want to, so next should be categories. I hope you all aware. Just now I explained 289 items we have classified under the 36 under the category of 36. So here you can see the 3 type of category. One is equipment, another one is human resource, another one is medical supply. I hope you all aware. Equipment related items comes under equipment category. Human related resource items comes under human resource. Medical items inventory resource items comes under the medical supplies. For example, I'm going to select medical supplies. So let's see, once if you click medical supply, it will automatically listed what are the item has been enabled in the IDRN portal under the category of medical supplies. See the face shield and surgical glove, boot cover, surgical mask and N95 mask, PP kit, sprayer, hand gloves, and sanitizer spray, mask, iodate tablet. These are the items we have enabled. So for live demonstration, I'm going to select all the items. If you want to select particular item, you can select particular also, multiple also, you can select multiple. So click find result. Once if you click find result, you will get this like this report. You will get like this report. It is access. This particular countrywide query access for open to all. Anybody is a public or is a government official whoever access this portal, they can see the status of each and every district wise and also state wise, the availability of the inventory also they can identify easily. see the Delhi, the National Capital Territory of Delhi, the district Northeast has updated halon tablets one quantity. They have mentioned in the item description used for purifying drying water. So the location all dispensaries in the Northeast district. So government, it's a source from government. Last updation has done 4th February 2020. 4th February 20, the department Directorate of Health Service Northeast District. So the address is available, contact person is available, Sandeep Gautam, and the contact number also available. So likewise, you can see all the items, whatever the item they have updated from the district wise. So these are the functions of this particular module. So the next would be about IDRN. I hope you all are aware of how it's functioning, what is the role of the state level authority, what is the role of district level authority, what is the role of the NIDM. I hope you all aware almost. So the next would be resource inventory. For easy accessing that particular country-wide query for resource inventory, we given the separate dedicated page. If you want to search, you can search here also. The next would be item detail. I hope you all aware this. Also, I just now explained the items which we have already enabled. The next would be user manual. Here you can see the user manual data collection format. For easy understanding, for better understanding of this IDRN portal, here we are given the explanation of each and every functions of these forms. What is the purpose of form 1, form 2A, form 2B, form 2C? I'll come back this form. So before going to this form, so come to 4th page. In the 4th page, you can see the resource availability. Whatever we have enabled in this IDRN portal, here we are given the PDF format. So this PDF format will clearly give picture what are the categories available, what are the inventory item is available available. So what are the items comes under the category also you can easily identify. For example, rescue boat category is there. Under the rescue boat category, inflatable boat and motor boat, motor launch and country boat. So likewise, you can see the 289 items in this PDF. In this PDF, you may kindly please circulate this particular form to all your district concerned officials, and also this data collection format. So here you can see the data collection format. Form 1, Form 2A, Form 2B, Form 2C. I hope you all aware. Since this portal is possible to update all the inventory resource item in online. So why this particular form is required? Then what is the purpose of this particular form? It's very simple. We will be sharing the user ID password to only the district level authority. If district authority, district collector or district magistrate is the responsible for this updating this updating this particular inventory resource information in this IDRN portal. He will be the responsible. So the DC the respected district collector, district magistrate is the responsible for circulating this particular form to all the line department. So all the line department will feed their inventory item into this particular form 1, form 2A, form 2B. So they will send back to again the district headquarters. District headquarters again the responsible for the updation of this particular resource inventory in the IDRN portal. Form 1. So form 1 is here you can see form 1 is the agency detail they have to fill, whether it is a government, it is a private or PSU. According to the industry type, they have to select source. So they have to select. So here you can see the department name, agency name, and the address, and the contact person designation. So telephone number, everything is available. So please come back to the form 2A, form 2B, form 2C. I hope you all where almost this all the forms are similar. What is the benefit, what is the purpose of this differentiating these forms? It's very simple. For easy identifying, for better understanding of the resource inventory category wise for equipment related items, the form 2A needs to be filled up. For human related item needs to be filled on form 2B. from critical supplies, medical related items, item related medical related items are critical supplies item have to be filled on form 2C. That is the difference of this form 2A, form 2B, form 2C. So that it is very easy for while updating this inventory item into this portal. So and the next would be login module. So before going to login, I will request to all the district and state officials who is attending this webinar, please carefully watch this session. This is the most important. This is the most important session. This is the most important session. So I hope you all the district have the separate dedicated user ID and password. So likewise, we have the dedicated user ID password for the pan India. Each and every district have the user ID password. So so if you don't have the user ID password, please kindly once again. Okay, before I'm going to log in dummy user. So if you don't have the user ID password, please kindly get in touch with her. Definitely, we will give you the user ID password. We will send you the user ID password. So this would be so once if you log in, this is the dashboard of this portal. So here you can see the DC/DM detail, whatever the current present DC/DM detail, you may please kindly enter. So the next would be item code for easy understanding, better understanding. We given the inside login also each and every item, each and every item. So next should be status report. We are working on it. Definitely we will be adding this module. Once again. So most of the district or state officials are requesting they want to download this particular inventory data in Excel format and PDF format and CSV format. So we are working on it. Definitely we'll be adding this module. So next would be district database. So the district database here you can see the district database. Here you can see the district database 637 record has been updated since 2016 to 2020. So number of item identified 198. What is the difference between this 636 637 and 198? It's very simple. It is very simple. Before sorry, this is 2016 to till date 637 record has been updated. So number of item identified means out of 289 items, 198 item has been found. That is the difference between this record uploaded, record identified. This is the state of Delhi and the district of New Delhi. It's not exact data of New Delhi. For dummy demonstration, we give for showing the live demonstration to all the state. We have mentioned Delhi and New Delhi. I request to the concerned district of the New Delhi, please log in through your login. Please kindly check it out. So don't take on this record as a New Delhi record. So next would be user manual. I hope you all aware. That's I have given the explanation. So inside login also we have enabled the module under training videos. So we are into the process of enabling the training videos. We are into the more interested to upgrade this portal. So data collection format, here we are given this format of the inside the login as well. The second would be notification. So notification also we are working on it. So definitely we'll give all the notification. So these are most important things. So I request to all the district, please kindly watch this particular session. So now I will going to explain how to add the new department, how to modify the existing department, how to add new record, how to modify, how to delete existing record. I will be going to explain within 2 to 3 within 5 minutes. Next 5 minutes, the most important module I will going to explain. Please kindly request to watch this session carefully. So after the session, after our joint director conclude the remark, we'll come back to the question and answer session. Whatever you have the doubt or suggestion, feedback, complaint, you may please register with us. So here you can see the add record and modify record. Once if you click add record, here you can see the name of the department. Firstly, before updating the inventory record, firstly you have to register the department name. If it is firstly this department registering, you have to click add record. If this department has already registered, you have to click modify record. In the modify record, here you can see the list of registered district, existing registered district. For example, Andhra Pradesh Private Limited we have already registered. So here you can see the registered district. So no need to register each and every time this district. So once if it is registered, you have to click add item. That's all. You can easily enter this. You can easily enter the inventory item. So now I will going to show the demo of the how to add new department. So for example, live demonstration, I am going to add Delhi Private Limited. This for live. So whatever the address, you may please kindly mention the address. You may please kindly mention the exact address of the department. And for live demonstration, I am giving the Delhi, the contact person, whoever contact person, you may please mention. So I am going to mention Mr. Raju Kumar. So the contact person designation, whatever the contact person designation, you can mention the contact person designation, address also, the exact address you may please mention. So pin code 110001. So phone number, if you have phone number, you can mention phone number. I mentioned 894002266. My number, telephone number is mandatory as of now, 01123438289. So next would be my email ID is most important. So I'm going to mention raju.nidm@nic.in. Okay, well, this is the most important thing where all the district are making the mistake while entering the data, while registering the department. Since I hope you all aware, Delhi Private Limited is a private industry. I hope you all in the source you have to select private. So most of the district states are making the mistake of selecting the government. No, it should be you have to select private. Once if you select private, just submit, it will automatically register. It will automatically register this particular department. It will automatically redirect to click here to add inventory record. If you want to modify, you can modify. Click here to add inventory record. For example, I hope you all aware, as per our user manual list, you can update the inventory item. I hope you all aware this as per this list. For example, I want to update CT scan. Once if you type C alphabet, it will automatically list out all the inventory item under this C category under the. Once if you type C alphabet, it will automatically list out all inventory items in the C alphabet. I want to update CT scan. So I am going to update CT scan. Quantity is 12 quantities available. Location is Delhi. So description, whatever MRSK. So I mentioned.
Balaji, describe proper location, proper item
Okay. So the item location is most important. So most of the district is making the mistake of mentioning the item exact location. I request all the district official, just to my colleague Mr. Dharmendra Yadav, he is the developer of this particular IDRN product. He told he is insisting, and also on behalf of NIDM also we are requesting. So please kindly mention the exact location of this particular inventory item CT scan, where it is located. So for live demonstration, I am mentioning Delhi, but you may please kindly mention the exact location. If there is any different type of this CT scan, you may please kindly mention in the item description. If there is any particular contact for this particular item, you can mention whatever whatever you are comfortable, you can mention in this field, in the description field. That is the purpose of this particular field. So we have updated this particular inventory item in this under this department. For example, if you want to add more multiple inventory item in the single time, you can enter next. You can no need to again register, no need to again log in. You can enter next also. You can enter next item also. For example, I am typing N, so I am going to update NBC face mask. So number quantity is number 123 I have available. The exact location, please kindly mention exact location where it is located, that particular NBC mask. So item, if there is any type of NBC mask, you can mention. I am mentioning two layer items. So two layer mask. So submit. I hope you all aware. Now I have added two inventory items. So now if you want to add more item, for example, more item after 10 days or after 1 month, after 3 days or whatever, whenever you want to add, you can add anytime. See, click modify record. Here you can see the Delhi Private Limited. See, Delhi Private Limited. I hope you all able to see my screen. Delhi Private Limited. DELI, Delhi Private Limited. Submit. So here you can see the registered department. See, if you want to modify the department, you can modify at any time. You can modify at any time. If you want to delete this department, you can delete at any time. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. This department can't be deleted because item is dependent. So before deleting this department, what you have to do, you have to delete all the inventory items under this particular department. Then only it is possible to delete this department. So here you can see the item list. There are two items we have added. One is CT scan, NBC mask. What is the quantity under Delhi location, the date and time. If you want to modify, for example, after 10 days, after 20 days, there may be a chance for this CT scan quantity may be reduced. For example, in the current situation, after 10 days, only 5 quantity of the CT scan only available in this particular department. So I am 1 second. Once again, sorry for the disturbance. So there are, see, if you want to modify, see, now I have modified 5 number of quantities. So now I have modified 5 number of quantities. See, it is reflecting 5 number of quantities. So likewise, you can once again. Our joint director is busy with another one meeting. He is asking, okay. So likewise, you can, if you want to delete this item, you can delete this item also at any time. If there is no availability of this, but if there is no stock available in this particular department, you can delete it in. This is what the functionality we have made. We have simplified very user friendly. So the next would be Delhi Private Limited. I am modifying. I want to add more item. For example, after 10 days, after 15 days, I want to add more item. I am clicking add item. I'm clicking add item. I want to update another one item. Driver team. I have the driver. Maybe this department have some of the driver team. I'm mentioning 12 driver team. I have exact location. You may please mention. What is the exact description of this particular driver team? Any specialization? You may mention any skilled workers. You can mention. I have the 4-wheeler driver team. No. Heavy LMV, light motor vehicle, licensed driver team. Likewise, you can mention whatever. So I have added again one more item. Here you can see Delhi Private Limited 2 items. Item list. See 2 items. These are the functions of this particular this particular module. So next would be department-wise report. Here you can see the department-wise report. If you want to see only report of particular department, Delhi Private Limited, there are 2 items only available in this particular department. So next would be date-wise report. If you want to select date, if you want to know what are the item has been updated since September 1 to till date, you will automatically get to know what are the item has been updated. For example, driver team we have updated today. So CT scan also we have updated Delhi Private Limited. Today 5 number of quantities available, and hand gloves has been updated. Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. The date is 6/10/20. So likewise you can say, you can check the status data report and also district report. If you want to check compiled report, this is the report. This is the report. It will show compiled report of this compiled report of this district, compiled report of this district. So next would be show item code. Whatever the item we are enabled, we are have added so item code. So item code here also we are given this given the inventory resource item list inside the module. So this is the contact form. Whatever you have suggestion feedback, you may please kindly fill this form and send request. And definitely we will take a request. Definitely we will examine. So log out. So that's all. This is the contact page. Whatever you have the suggestion or feedback or any query complaint, you may please kindly contact at any time. Send a letter to at any time, or you may please kindly kindly call me or WhatsApp me at any time. If you have any suggestion query, please email me to admin.idrn@nic.in. So now I hope you all understand this IDRN portal. Now I would like to invite our Joint Director, Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vashish. Wait just a minute, I'll check whether he is available or not. Afterwards, we'll go for the question and answer session. Okay, our joint director is very busy with the another one meeting in the ministry office. So before going to the question and answer, we may get conclude remark from our Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vashish, sir.
Thank you, Balaji. Actually, I have to rush for before I thought that since Balaji has completed his presentations and his online, so I would thank each and everyone who has participated from the state of Delhi, NCT, and I would thank the Disaster Management Authority and the consultant Shri Rajiv ji, who has taken out the time from his busy schedule to be with us and to learn about the IDRN portal more. And we are also learning from you. And after this, we'll be having a question answer session. Since I have to leave, so I thought that I will say goodbye and we can meet again whenever you feel and whenever you decide that we may train on IDRN more, we will be more than happy to be with you. So thank you very much from all of us at NIDM, and special thanks to the Delhi Disaster Management Authority who has arranged to meet us on this particular very important aspect of IDRN. I would leave with the request that you may update your portal much often, very frequently. Thank you very much and Jai Hind. Thank you, Balaji. Over to
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. Due to some busy schedule with our joint director, Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vashish sir has to rush another one important program. So we have an important program next week. So that is the reason. So we are really sorry for that inconvenience. Now the time to ask question and answer. Whatever you have the suggestion or query, or you have any feedback, or any complaint, please kindly unmute your mic. Please kindly unmute your mic. So please raise your question. Definitely, we will be responsible for each and every question. And definitely, we will be answering. I request to all district officers, please kindly unmute your mic. Whatever you have suggestion or feedback, any doubt or clarification, any complaint regarding this IDRN portal, definitely we will give the justification and clarification. We'll take high priority your request, each and every request. So now I would like to call Central District. Is anyone official from Central District?
Uh,
Yes, Anjali madam, tell me.
yeah,
Whatever.
sir, I'm a district project officer in District East, and मैं काफी time से I'm working with the IDRN, and again I'm sending the reminders for submitting all the data in a proper format provided by you. But
Okay.
the department are facing problem as they are not aware
Okay.
regarding the equipment. So it's possible we can have such kind of a training with our ESFs.
Yes,
How to fill
yes,
this data. And
yes,
because
madam.
when I started in 2016, once I have trained them how to fill again, but they are having lots of problem because of equipments. For example, cutter. The example is cutter. They have purchased long back और उसको use कर रहे हैं. They had कि हमें unused जो नहीं हो रहे हैं, खराब है, उनका भी data देना क्योंकि उनके record में तो वो है. So they are facing lots of problem regarding filling up the form. And even I started collecting the data with the government school also, what kind of equipment they are having.
मैडम इसके लिए अभी जो है इसमें सेल्फ ड्राइव जो आइटम है उसकी सेल्फ ड्राइव का कॉलम ऐड करने जा रहे हैं,
जिससे जो है आइटम को कब से
कब तक यूज करना है नेक्स्ट वीक में उसकी सेल्फ ड्राइव आइटम की, जिससे उसको
कितना मतलब उसकी एज कितनी
आइटम की जितनी जैसे गवर्नमेंट 15 ईयर या 10 ईयर डिसाइड
उसी हिसाब से
उसी सेल्फ ड्राइव का कॉलम ऐड करने जा रहे हैं.
अच्छा सर, can we share our login ID password with the ESF for entering these data और हमें ही करना है? क्योंकि
yes madam. Yes madam. If you wish to share your user ID password to the concerned person authority, you can share on behalf of with the permission of your nodal officer. No issue. No issue.
Sir, last time it was like we have to take a permission from NIDM or NDMA for sharing the.
No. Actually, there is no permission is required from our side, National Institute of Disaster Management side, NDMA side. We will be responsible for sharing the user ID password to only district collectorate office, or else Delhi Disaster Management Authority, or else each and every district has a district disaster management team. There may be one nodal officer, nodal person. We will be sharing the user ID password to only this concerned officer, but that concerned officer has to decide whether this user ID password can share to the line department or private industry, government, any revenue department, town panchayat department, whatever department under this Delhi. That's up to the decision of the nodal officer.
And sir, we are even facing a certain problem. उसका आगे जैसे मोबाइल नंबर का है, फैक्स नंबर है, 011 लगाते तो they are not accepting. email ID अगर Gmail का है, they are not accepting. वो accept ही नहीं करता है, तो हमें email ID हटाना पड़ता है.
No madam. This particular website, this particular new IDRN portal, the mandatory for email ID, telephone number, but no fax number is not mandatory. But we are in the process of removing the mandatory field telephone number. We are in the process. Definitely, maybe end of this month we will remove that telephone number, not mandatory. So mobile, so email ID is definitely it is mandatory, ma'am. It will accept NIC Gmail, ma'am, in the new portal. You may please try to log in once again in the new portal. If you have a problem with the updation of this particular email ID, whatever email ID, see, the email format should be always name @ whatever data gov.in or gmail.com or .in, whatever. This I hope you know the email format. That's the format you have to correctly fit. So most of the district, what they are doing, right, ma'am? I'm receiving many calls from even some other states. They're entering, for example, Balaji at Gmail. That's it. Balaji at Gmail. So the format should be gmail.com.
Yeah, I know that.
Uh-huh.
I am facing this problem because this month data I was not able to fill because I was not entering the Gmail. email ID. So
Okay.
one, and I had used this IDRN during time of one of my demolishing my building
Okay.
in Pandam Nagar. It is very helpful
Okay.
because I needed a human lifting machine. So
Okay.
I was aware there is a metro station where the वो search करके वो है.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay,
But
ma'am.
I personally, sir, I want the other ESFs, the nodal agencies, to be trained in IDRN because they are having
Sure,
lots
madam.
of
Sure,
problems
madam. Sure,
of
madam.
filling the forms.
Ma'am, if you have any separate training is required, you may please immediately write a email or letter to NIDM, ma'am. Definitely, we will cooperate at any time, at any cost. We are here to help you. We are here to help you. Don't worry for. Don't mind to write a letter or anything, ma'am. Don't worry. That is why we are conducting this particular online training program state-wise.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Any other district? Any other district? Is there anyone? Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Harish here from the district central, DPO central here.
Yes, yes.
Sir, thank you for the today very useful training for all of us.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Sir,
much.
more questions. It is your mobile number 89400222606.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, okay, sir. Sir, same the question जो जैसा कि हमारी DPO ईस्ट अंजलि मैम ने बताया कि हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी जितनी इमरजेंसी सपोर्ट फंक्शनरीज हैं, जितने भी हमारे लाइन डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, उनके साथ भी एक IDRN की एक सेम ट्रेनिंग आप लोगों के माध्यम से हमें मिल जाए तो वो काफी बेनिफिशियल होगा, क्योंकि हमने अपनी सभी ESFs को कई बार लेटर लिखे हैं कि एक फिगर आप अपनी इन्वेंट्री सभी जो आपके पास मशीन्स हैं, जो भी इक्विपमेंट्स हैं, उनकी एक फिगर हमें बता दें। उन्होंने कई बार हमें अपडेट करके बता दिया है, बट सर हम चाहते हैं कि आपके माध्यम से एक ट्रेनिंग सेशन हो जाए और जिससे वो IDRN में अपनी जो इन्वेंट्री है वो अच्छे से कर पाए।
अच्छा, ठीक है सर। धर्मेंद्र। ठीक है सर, we have noted. Whenever you require training, you may please kindly write a letter or email, sir. Definitely will cooperate your schedule, sir. No issue for us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Is anyone district from the district of East Delhi, New Delhi? Is anyone district official from East Delhi, New Delhi? Is anyone from North? Is anyone from North?
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
I am Bhavna Singh, DPO District Shahadra.
Okay.
I want to know, sir, आपने भी बोला कि हमारा डेटा अपडेट नहीं है IDRN पोर्टल पे, बट सर अभी हमने इसको चेक किया तो 23 जुलाई 2019 में ये दिखा रहा है डेटा अपडेट। एक बार प्लीज आप कुछ बताएंगे कि क्यों इस तरह से, मतलब आपने बोला डेटा अपडेट नहीं है।
ठीक है मैडम।
हेलो
मैडम,
हम चेक करके आपको जो है रिप्लाई करते हैं। अभी आपको है ना सेशन समाप्त होने के बाद आपको बैकएंड में चेक करके क्या प्रॉब्लम है, उसके बाद आपको रिप्लाई करते हैं।
सर डेटा अपडेट करने के बाद पोर्टल में बहुत देर तक दिखाता नहीं है कि वी हैव अपडेटेड और नॉट, मतलब काफी लेट पता चलता है, हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि हमने कब है। हम डेटा दिखाते, जैसे उसमें अभी आपने फिगर्स दिखाया था उसमें 0 दिखाया था, मैं ऑलरेडी डेटा अपडेट कर चुकी थी सर्वर में, तो दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम वी आर फेसिंग, उसमें शो नहीं करता है।
मैडम आपने डिपार्टमेंट वाइज या डेट वाइज रिपोर्ट में जाकर के चेक कर सकती हैं। रिपोर्ट को हम ना आफ्टर
मंथली कंप्लीट होने
कंप्लीट होने के बाद अपडेट करते हैं रिपोर्ट जो है
दोबारा चेक कर लेती हूँ सर, बट ये लास्ट टाइम ये था प्रॉब्लम कि हमने डाल दिया था क्योंकि हमारे पास हेडक्वार्टर से रिमाइंडर्स आ रहे थे, हमने अपनी तरफ से डाला था बट वहां पर 0 ही शो कर रहा था।
मैडम
वाइज या डिपार्टमेंट वाइज रिपोर्ट में जाकर के आप चेक कर लीजिए, ठीक है।
सर आपकी आवाज ना डबल आ रही है, सही सुनाई नहीं दे रहा।
मैडम आप ना डिपार्टमेंट वाइज या डेट वाइज रिपोर्ट में करके चेक कर लीजिए अपडेट में, और आपको रिपोर्ट में चेक करना है तो हम रिपोर्ट को जो है मंथ क्लियर कंप्लीट होने के बाद में रिपोर्ट अपडेट करते हैं। तो मंथ के बाद ही आपको देखने को मिलेगा।
Ma'am, and one more request, Miss. Okay, and one more request for Miss Anjali ma'am and Bhavana Singh ma'am. So whenever you are facing this kind of problem or any, see, for example, you have updated the data is not displaying, not showing, you may immediately contact me, ma'am, through WhatsApp even. If you can't, if you don't have time to even write a mail, at least WhatsApp me. So we are here to sort out this issue. We are
Sir,
here
can
to
you
sort.
communicate your number with us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam. You may please note in the chat box I have written. Otherwise, you may please check in website as well. 89400 22606.
Can you repeat, please?
89
89.
400
Yes.
22 606.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. You may please kindly at least WhatsApp me. Definitely, I will get back you. We will resolve your issue, ma'am. Don't worry, ma'am.
Sure.
Don't worry. We are here. Yeah, we are here to improve our portal as much as possible. As much as possible. We will never hesitate any of your suggestion.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Anyone from a northeast, northwest, and the special request to Shagdra. Anyone from Shagdra district?
Sir,
I'm from the Shadra only.
अच्छा, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है, ma'am. Okay. Fine.
Hello.
So, South Delhi.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I would like to add something here.
Yes. May I know your name, sir?
Yes, sir. My name is Ajit Batham, and I'm project officer from Delhi Disaster Management Authority.
Yes, Ajit Bazar, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think this is the most common problem every district is facing right now, that their ESFs are not clear with the format of IDRN. That's why they are not able to provide information on given format. That's why they are not able to update their IDRN portal. I guess this is the most common problem each district is facing right now, sir. So I request you to kindly look into the matter, sir.
Sure, sir. Sure. I have taken your request on high period, sir. Sir, and just now in this training program, I have explained. So there is a format. There is one user manual is available in the IDRN portal, right? I hope you are aware.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that PDF you have to circulate to all the line departments, sir. Firstly.
But sir, they are not able to understand that format because they are not from the technical field. So they always say that we are not able to fill the given format, and hence the information which is to be sought is incomplete most of the time from the ESF.
Okay, sir. That form. See, again, I will explain you, sir. Again, I will explain you once again. I will share my screen. See. Mr. Ajit, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you available? See, this is the user. Firstly, this is the user manual. I hope you are aware.
Yes, sir.
See, from the fourth page. From the fourth page. Can you please unmute your mic? Is it
Sir,
possible?
this is what we are requesting. You should organize training for other line departments also, sir.
Okay, the line. Okay, sir. You may please kindly send one request.
Most of the time, this format is not understandable for other ESF.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. No, okay. I understand. I understand your concern, query, sir. If possible, kindly please write one letter to NIDM, sir. You may will coordinate for the next program for with the your ESA department, sir. ECA.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, any other question? South Delhi, Southeast Delhi, Southwest Delhi, West Delhi. Is anyone official from Southwest, South, East, West?
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Southwest district this side.
Yes, yes.
Sir, Vinod Bhardwaj, DPO, DDMA Southwest.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. Please tell me, sir.
सर हमारे को जैसे हमारे साथी डीपीओ साहब ने हरीश ने बताया है कि सबकी ट्रेनिंग एक बार हो जाए तो सर अगर साउथ वेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट की तरफ से अगर हम आपको कॉल कर लें यहाँ पे क्या एक कंबाइंड ट्रेनिंग सेशन यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो सकता है?
यस सर, बिल्कुल सर,
क्योंकि इजी हो जाएगा सर, हम लोग यहाँ पे फिर अच्छे तरीके से हम लोग काम कर पाएंगे इसमें इन्वेंटरीज में।
बिल्कुल सर करेंगे और आपको यही सूचित करेंगे किस डेट को ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करनी है।
जी जी, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू वेलकम सर।
Vote of thanks, sir. Sir, we are not able to listen you, sir.
Sir, are you there? Are you available, sir? Ajit, sir?
Yes, sir. Now you are audible, sir.
Yes. Sir, I think so. Most of the person has raised their question. If there is any more question, you may please ask. Otherwise, we may end the meeting, sir. Is there any question? Mr. Ajit?
Yes, sir.
Is there any question? We can continue, sir. Otherwise, we may end the meeting.
I guess, sir, we shall conclude now, sir.
Yes. Okay. On behalf of National Institute of Disaster Management, so Ministry of Home Affairs, I would like to thank each and every participant sparing your valuable time with us. So I hope this particular webinar training program might be useful to all of you. If you apart from this particular webinar, if you have a particular training program, if you have any concern, query, feedback, or suggestion, you no need to hesitate or no need to worry about contacting us. You may please kindly write email to admin.idrn@nac.in. Otherwise, you may please WhatsApp me or call me at any time. Definitely, we will get in touch with you. We'll resolve your problem time to time. Thank you. Thank you so much for all of you. So after, yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, on behalf of Delhi Disaster Management Authority, I especially thanks to NIDM
Yes, yes.
for organizing such informative IDRN portal training program
Yes,
for
sir. Yes,
NCT
sir.
for NCT of Delhi. And sir,
Yes,
I
yes.
hope the core knowledge provided by you on IDRN portal
Okay.
will definitely help our personnel who are working in the field of disaster management.
Okay.
And once again, I thanks to all the team of NIDM and
Yes, sir.
Lieutenant Colonel Shri Vashish,
Yes,
along
sir.
with you, sir, and Dharmendra, sir,
Yes, sir.
for such an informative session.
Yes, sir.
And I also thanks my colleagues who have participated in the idea and portal training from their respective districts.
Okay.
So, sir, DDM is looking forward for such more trainings. If possible, sir, kindly write us for such more training, sir.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Really, really thank you for your wonderful conclude message, sir. Thank you so much. We may end the meeting.